If you're standing at the beginning of a potential career in technology, you're likely feeling a mix of excitement and uncertainty. The path forward seems filled with opportunity, but it's often obscured by a fog of complex information and conflicting advice. You see job postings requiring skills you don't have yet, and you know that earning the right credentials is a critical first step. But this leads to one of the most common and paralyzing questions every beginner faces. Which IT certifications should I actually start with? A quick search unleashes a tidal wave of options. You'll hear about hardware, networking, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and project management. The internet is full of articles and videos, each proclaiming a different certification as the ultimate starting point. This abundance of choice, meant to be helpful, often leads to analysis paralysis. Many aspiring IT professionals become so overwhelmed that they don't start at all, fearing they'll waste precious time and money on the wrong path. This video is designed to cut through that noise. We're going to put the hype aside and focus on creating a clear, logical framework for your journey. I'll explain the most valuable and widely recognized beginner certifications that do more than just add a line to your resume. They build a truly strong, practical foundation of knowledge. We'll explore not just these certifications are, but they are essential, how they connect to one another, and how they directly map to the skills employers are looking for in entry-level roles. Our goal is to give you a structured roadmap that will help you start moving confidently toward your first IT job. No hype, just structure. Before we dive into specific certifications, let's clarify something important about their role in your career. There's a common misconception that getting certified is like finding a golden ticket, an automatic pass into a high-paying tech job. The reality is more nuanced, but also more empowering. Certifications are not magic. They are not a substitute for hands-on experience, problem-solving skills, or a genuine passion for technology. And because of that, they will not automatically guarantee you a job. Think of a certification as a key that can unlock doors, but you still have to walk through them and prove you belong in the room. So, if they aren't a guarantee, why are they so valuable? They are valuable because they help you in three important ways, especially when you're starting out. First, they give you a structured learning path. The world of IT is vast and can be overwhelming. A certification curriculum acts as your guide, taking you from foundational concepts to more advanced topics in a logical order. It ensures you don't have critical gaps in your knowledge, which is a common problem for purely self-taught learners. Second, they send a powerful signal to employers. Pursuing and passing a certification exam shows initiative, discipline, and a commitment to professional development. From a hiring manager's perspective, it de-risks their decision. It tells them you are serious about learning technology and have a verified baseline of knowledge. In a stack of resumes, a relevant certification can be the differentiator that gets you the interview. Third, and perhaps most critically, they help you understand the fundamentals of IT systems. Certifications like the CompTIA A+ don't just teach you facts, they teach you a standardized vocabulary and a way of thinking about how systems interact. This common language is essential for collaborating with colleagues and effectively troubleshooting problems. Ultimately, the true power of certifications is unlocked when they are combined with real practice and discipline. They provide the what and the why, but it's up to you to provide the how through building projects, practicing in labs, and developing your problem-solving instincts. When you merge this theoretical knowledge with practical application, you don't just get a job, you build strong, sustainable career momentum. One of the most popular starting certifications in IT is CompTIA A+. This certification focuses on core skills such as computer hardware operating systems, troubleshooting networking basics, security fundamentals. For beginners, this certification helps you understand how technology works in real environments. Many entry-level IT support roles value this type of knowledge. Think of it as learning the language of IT. Another important area in technology is networking. Networking is the foundation that connects computers, servers, and cloud services. A common certification in this area is Network Plus. It helps beginners understand concepts like IP addresses, routers, and switches, network security, connectivity, troubleshooting. Even if you later specialize in cloud or cybersecurity, networking knowledge remains extremely valuable. Technology is increasingly moving to the cloud. That means many businesses now rely on platforms like Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud. For beginners, Cloud Fundamentals certifications are a great way to understand how modern infrastructure works. These certifications introduce concepts like virtual machines, cloud storage, identity management, online services. Cloud knowledge is becoming an essential skill in many IT roles. Another area that continues to grow is cybersecurity. Even if you do not plan to become a security specialist, understanding basic security principles is important. Security certifications help beginners learn concepts like protecting systems, identifying vulnerabilities, secure network practices, cyber threats. Security awareness is valuable in almost every technology role today. One mistake beginners often make is trying to collect too many certifications too quickly. That approach rarely works. Instead, focus on learning deeply. One certification combined with real practice, curiosity, troubleshooting experience is often far more valuable than several certifications without understanding. Technology rewards skill and thinking, not just certificates. While studying, try to build hands-on experience. You can do this by creating a simple home lab, installing operating systems, exploring networking tools, practicing troubleshooting. Even small experiments can help you understand how systems behave. Employers value people who can solve problems, not just memorize information. Starting a technology career can feel overwhelming. You're faced with a universe of specializations, certifications, and programming languages, each demanding your attention. It's easy to feel lost in the noise, unsure of where to even begin. This initial paralysis is normal, but it's also conquerable. The secret isn't to learn everything at once, but to build a solid foundation that will support any path you choose later on. When you focus on the fundamentals, how computers work, how networks communicate, and how systems are secured, the entire landscape of technology becomes much clearer. These core principles are the bedrock of your career. So, let's turn this knowledge into action with a simple, effective plan for the next 90 days. In your first 30 days, your goal is clarity. Choose one foundational certification path, like the CompTIA A+, and commit to it. Don't get distracted by more advanced topics yet. Acquire your primary study materials, a good book, a video course, and create a consistent study schedule. Even 30 to 60 minutes a day is enough to build momentum. By day 60, you should be deep into your material and transitioning from theory to practice. This is where you start applying what you learn. Set up a virtual machine, practice command line basics, and identify the components inside your own computer. This hands-on experience is non-negotiable. It's what transforms abstract concepts into tangible skills. In your final 30 days, the focus is on reinforcement and validation. Begin taking practice exams to identify your weak areas. Go back and review those specific topics. Most importantly, schedule your certification exam. Putting a date on the calendar creates a powerful forcing function, turning your someday goal into a concrete deadline. Move forward step by step, and you will be amazed at the progress you make. If you're serious about building a future in technology and want a guide for this journey, subscribe to The Calm Engineer. Here, we move beyond the hype and focus on what truly matters: practical IT careers, essential technology skills, and the disciplined growth required to succeed long-term. We're here to help you build skill, increase your income, and stay calm while doing it. Thank you for watching.